Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the gecko and what it does in Grow a Garden. So you can get it from the Safari shop here. It costs 50 million shekels. Here, it is a common pet, and this is the ability. Gecko Gold, nearby Safari type plants have increased variant chance. And that is pretty much the trait, the ability for it. So yeah, that's what gecko does in Grow a Garden. I think the pet after this is the hyena. I haven't gotten that one yet though. It has not been in stock. Then after that is Cape Buffalo, hippo, crocodile, and then the lion at this much. I don't know if we're gonna be able to open that, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.